Hey guys, iCreates's here, and this will be a follow-up video regarding my latest tutorial, which was how to get Adobe Photoshop CS6 for free. Now, if you guys have not checked that yet, go ahead and check the description. It's going to be the first link up there. But in that video, you guys, in the comments, you guys have been wanting to know my OBS settings, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my OBS settings and how to get it and everything. So, first of all, I am using the classic version of OBS, so this is OBS Classic. I just, for some reason, in my opinion, I just like it better. I feel like it's much organized and it's more convenient, I guess, but I just like it better in my opinion, and I just think it's more organized. So, in settings, I do have the general to the language is set to English, and the rest of these boxes are unticked. So if we go up to encoding, video encoding is the encoder is set to X264, and UCBR is ticked. Enable CBR padding is ticked. Max bitrate kilobytes seconds is set to 1000, and use custom buffer size is unticked. Codec is for audio encoding. Codec is AAC. For format it is 48 KHZ, and for bitrate is 128. For channel is stereo. Now in broadcast settings, I don't touch any of these stuff because I don't live stream or live stream on Twitch or YouTube or anything. But in the file path, I do have it set to videos, and it is a .mp4 file. And yeah, so basically, file path is the only thing I worry about in this section. Okay, now in video, my video adapter is Intel HD graphics. For base resolution, I set it to custom 1366 by 768. Aspect ratio is 683:384. Resolution downscale is 1366 times 768. And for my FPS, usually 30 to 60, but mostly 30. So when I'm doing tutorial videos, I use 30. Now for audio, my desktop audio device is set to default. Some of you guys may have it in speakers, but I have mine in default. For my microphone, I have it in microphone Blue Snowball. And for force microphone, I have this ticked, and this one's also ticked. For push to talk delay milliseconds, it's set to 200. This one is 1, 1, and 0. So make sure you got that. For hotkeys, these are the only ones I use, which is start recording and stop recording. So yeah, I used start recording F9, stop recording F10. And advanced, there's really nothing. I don't use any of these, but you can go ahead and copy that if you guys want to. So make sure you guys go ahead and get that. I'll give you guys a couple seconds. Okay, now for quick sync encoder, I don't think you can really do anything because I can't. So I just leave it like that. I don't touch any of these stuff, like I said. Most of it, or some of it. For browser, like I said, I don't use this. Microphone noise gate, this is for your microphone. So like I said, I'm using a microphone Blue Snowball. So yeah, you guys can see the level of my voice and how high it's how loud the audio is picking it up. Now for the scene switcher, I don't touch any of these, so just copy. Make sure you guys get this. Okay, so really the ones I really touched are broadcast settings, video, audio, hot, and hotkey. So basically just these four. The rest I don't do anything with those. I just leave it like that because that's their default. Now, how to get in everything. So what I do is I just make a new scene. So I do right click in scenes and I do add scene, and you guys can call it whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put whatever you want. And yeah, it will go black because I'm making a new scene. But for sources, just right click add and then do monitor capture, and then just call that whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it monitor capture. Hit OK. And I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but hopefully you guys are following along. So now we're in monitor capture. I just leave the monitor to 1 because I only have one monitor. This is a laptop, and from when I'm recording tutorials, I leave the capture mouse cursor. So I'll make sure you guys tick that, hit OK, and yeah, so this is about it basically. If you guys didn't see, I made a new scene, which you guys can call it whatever you want. For sources, I made a monitor capture, so I right click, add, and I did monitor capture. And right here for the scene, I did monitor 1 capture mouse cursor. So that's what I did, and this is my OBS settings and how to get it and everything. So for those of you guys who are wondering what my OBS settings are, there you go. Hopefully I showed you guys what you guys wanted to see. So thank you guys for watching. It's been iCreates's, and I'll see you guys later.